Hello student, welcome to the EdTech Lab. Today in this video we will learn about different types of triangle in mathematics with the help of this equipment. So one we need some protector, second we need some metallic strip of different length, and last we need some nut and bolt. Let's start with our first equilateral triangle. So we need 3 metallic strips of same length, and also we need 3 protector and some nut and bolt. So this is our equilateral triangle because all the sides are equal and each angle between this equilateral triangle is equal. Let's see each angle between equilateral triangle. You can see this angle is 60-degree angle, and note down this angle. You can see also this angle is 60 and our last angle is, so this is our also 60-degree angle. So it means all the 3 angles inside equilateral triangles are equal and each angle is 60-degree, and the sum of all the 3 angles inside equilateral triangle is 180-degree. Next we will talk about the isosceles triangle. Now in this case we need 2 metallic strips of same length and one is different but other component same. So this is our isosceles triangle, and in this case you can see these 2 sides are equal but this side is different. Now let's see angle. So this angle you can see is 65-degree, and this angle you can see also 65-degree, and last this angle is 50-degree. It means this angle is different from these 2 angles. So in isosceles triangles 2 angles are equal and 2 sides also, but the sum of all the 3 angles inside isosceles triangles are 180-degree. So 65 plus 65 is 130-degree plus 50 is 180-degree. Now in next case we will talk about the scalene triangle. Now in this case we need 4 metallic strips, 2 we need same length and 2 we need different length, and also we need 3 protectors and some and nut. So first connect this longer metallic strip. So this is our scalene triangle. Now in this case all these sides are different, you can see. And now note down the angle between them. So our first angle is 30 degree, you can see here, and our this angle is 40 degree. So this is, both are different. And our last angle 110 degree. So this angle is also different. So all the three angles inside this triangle is different, but the sum of all these three angles again is 180 degree. You can see here 30 degree, 40 degree, so total 70 degree plus 110 degree is 100, total 80 degrees. Next we will talk about the right angle triangle, and now in this case we need two same metallic strip and two different. So this is our right angle triangle, because in this case our one angle is our 90 degree, you can see here. So this is our 90 degree angle, and it just opposite side to this 90 degree angle is our hypotenuse, and so this our side is the base and this our side is the perpendicular. Last one, talk about the sum of exterior angle in a triangle is just equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle of a triangle. Now let's see, the exterior angle is just equal to the sum of this opposite angle. First note down our exterior angle. You can see our exterior angle is 120 degree angle, and note down interior angle. So our interior angle is 60 degree, and here is also 60 degree, you can see. So it means our exterior angle is just equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle in a triangle. So 60 plus 60 is 120. So it just equal to the exterior angle. Now note here in this case, so this is our also 120 degree, and it just equal to this and this angle. This is our 60 degree, and this is our also 60 degree. So 60 plus 60 is 120 degree. It just equal to the exterior angle. Thanks for watching. So please like, subscribe and click on bell icon.